Bonjour, it's me, Mrs. Brown. I am dressed. In fact, I've got my new top on that I bought off the internet. It's about a size too big. There's a problem with buying things off the internet. That's my dog with his toy. In that kitchen, not my kitchen. Anyway, what I'm going to show you today very quickly is what to do when your pesky cupcakes come away from the case. And I see this post on many of the discussion groups, and I always tell everybody what I do with mine, but nobody takes any notice of me because I'm a Cassandra. Look that one up. Anyway, I normally like to freeze my cupcakes. Doesn't matter if they're just overnight. I prefer to work with them frozen, but this one actually is defrosted. But if your cupcakes are frozen, you'll find this even easier. Now, I'm going to flat top my cupcake. I always flat top my cupcakes because it keeps the cake underneath fresh. It might be something that you're familiar with, it might not. But basically, once you've flat topped your cupcake, you can then stick the case back to the buttercream icing, so you're not wasting all your cupcakes where the cases come away, and it really isn't too much of a catastrophe if it happens. These are actually, I think, PME cases, so obviously really good quality, but it still happens. One of those things. Anyway, quickly, this is quickly because I'm just doing these for my friend. Little present, Donna, it's for you. Right, what you need is a little bit of buttercream icing. This isn't residue of my dog. Oh, it delivered this morning. No, it is buttercream. And I would say go a little bit on the soft side because then you won't be pulling your cases away as you flat top. So you need your buttercream, take a good fair sized dollop and basically plodge it in the middle and just work it out. And like I say, you might, when they're frozen, they won't pull away on the other side. They're much easier to work with. Just putting that back on there. So go around your cupcake and flat top. We call this flat top in the trade. Like I say, this is much easier process, well I find it is, if your cake is frozen. Right, and then what you do, oopsie, you'll see that your cake is, or your cake cupcake cover is now stuck to your cake. And then all you need to do, as you normally would, do a big dollop. There you go. I'm going to put some cream eggs, mini eggs on there. But as you can see, perfect. Well, I think it looks perfect. Do you know one thing I do though, because I'm really fussy? Wait there. Hold on. Hold on. I take a paintbrush, and it's one with like a flat edge on it. I don't know if you can see that. And I actually go around the edge of, that's my phone. You know what? I go around the edge of the cupcake, just tidying up so that you don't get all these bits of buttercream stuck in the ridges. And that really does give you a beautiful professional look. Here you go. Bye.